Today, everyone owns a computer of some kind, either a laptop, desktop, or mobile device. We depend on these computers more and more every day, as they help us connect with our friends, family, and colleagues. Almost all of us agree, we can't live without our computers. With this powerful technology at our fingertips, an often overlooked constant has emerged. Disastrous crashes can strike anywhere, anytime, or any place. So how can you safeguard against these seemingly random problems before they arise? More specifically, who do you rely on when these problems inevitably affect our lives?
Grace Infotech Information Technology Solutions.
Computer tech is the logical choice for all your computer-related problems. With certified technicians, decades of combined experience, and a solid reputation with the local community,
Grace Infotech Information Technology Solutions.
Tech should be your first thought for computer repair. Our services include virus and spyware removal, disaster data recovery, and hardware repair. We also offer on-site service for both residential and business customers, creating practical solutions for internet problems, wireless networks, and annoying issues that reduce productivity. We are great at troubleshooting and fixing any issues you might arise both in PC and Mac. So call us
at phone number mentioned in the description.
When your computer stops working, you stop working. And that's a problem to essential things. That is why you should hire us to fix your computer issues. Whatever the problem may be, we can fix it. We offer the best computer solutions at an affordable price and a quick turnaround time. Contact us for your computer upgrades, computer repairs, software installation, virus removal, printer installation, desktop or laptop, any computer solution at all. Fixing all your remote computer issues.
Contact us today. You can reach us by following the directions on this page. We look forward to hearing from you.